The first step is to create a budget. This is your financial blueprint, outlining your income and expenses. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and stick to it. This isn't just about penny pinching. It's about understanding where your money goes and making conscious decisions about your spending. Next, track your expenses. This helps you identify areas where you can cut back. With various apps and tools available, tracking your spending can be effortless and eye-opening. Setting financial goals is another crucial step. Maybe you're saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or a comfortable retirement. Clear goals can motivate you to save and manage your money wisely. Then, make it a habit to pay yourself first. Prioritize savings as a non-negotiable expense. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. It's a simple but powerful way to ensure that you're consistently saving. Don't forget to build an emergency fund. This safety net can cover unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. It provides peace of mind knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Reducing debt is also a key step. If you have high-interest debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Allocating extra money towards debt repayment can save you a significant amount in interest payments over time. Living below your means is another principle of effective money management. Avoid overspending by prioritizing needs over wants and cutting unnecessary expenses. Once you've built up your savings and emergency fund, consider investing wisely. It's a way to generate passive income and grow your wealth over time. Consult with a financial advisor to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Continuing education is also vital. Stay informed about personal finance topics such as investing, budgeting, and managing debt. There are a plethora of books, online resources, and financial workshops available to boost your financial literacy. Lastly, review and adjust your financial plan regularly. Ensure your budget, financial goals, and investment portfolio align with your current financial situation and priorities. Make adjustments as necessary to stay on track. In summary, effective money management involves creating a budget, tracking expenses, setting financial goals, prioritizing savings, building an emergency fund, reducing debt, living below your means, investing wisely, staying educated, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan. By adopting these strategies, you can take control of your finances, achieve your financial goals, and experience greater financial security and peace of mind.